Uh, Hello, my name is Farida Zalal, Principal of Vignan E-Techno School, Hospital. Today, I have very interesting topic to speak, that is why teachers need to upgrade themselves. So, I personally believe that teachers should upgrade themselves because we are in a modern era. So, the world is changing, the world is advancing in technology and innovation. Okay, so and because of this technology and innovation, there is drastic changes in education system. Hope you agree with this. So here I have five important points why teachers need to upgrade themselves. The first important is confidence. If teacher upgrade themselves, they can improve their confidence. They can improve their quality of teaching. They can present themselves in a very executed manner. Okay. The second important point why teachers need to upgrade is to enhance skills. So teachers are with multiple skills, right? So to enhance our skills, especially teaching skills, where we can accept and then adapt new education system. Okay, so if we enhance teaching skills, and as we all know, there is no much scope for traditional system of teaching and conventional system of teaching. Okay, of course there will be some importance of traditional education system, like for recitation, memorization, but traditional and conventional system of teaching is not applicable for all the subjects. And the third important point is professional growth and ability. So, in this profession, it is a challenging profession. It is not an easy profession, and it is not a cup of tea for every on every table. So, I feel a teaching profession is very respected profession and very dignified profession. And to do justification for this profession, we need to upgrade ourselves. The third important point is teachers have basic responsibility, that is for the all-round development of a child. It is a prime importance being a teacher that we need to improve the basic skills of every student, that is reading learning skills, right? So as growing teachers, we need to upgrade ourselves, our skills, our content, our subject, our confidence, and then compete in this innovation world and help our student to compete this present education system. So if you upgrade yourself, it creates awareness about new issues of education system. So ultimately it will improve your creativity, it will improve your teaching skills, it will improve your confidence. You will be aware of all the present education system, right? So you have seen so many schools, they are introducing advanced courses, like we have drawn, then we have coding, decoding, robotics, and entrepreneurship. There are so many advanced courses, many school they are trying to introduce STEM, right? So to upgrade ourselves makes a very important responsibility. So I wish all the teachers, i um, I plead all teachers to upgrade yourself and then execute your ideas, your creativity, and then help the child to explore. Thank you so much.